Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 68 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman. Brought to you by our wonderful friends at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to build along with me this iconic 1/8 scale model, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this on your bench. So let's have a quick look through the magazine. This is the TV show, The Catwoman Goeth. We then got Great Batman Comics, The Clash of Cape and Cowl. Not Simon Cowell, by the way. Batman Year by Year was 1997. Some really nice artwork there. This is the year of Mr. Freeze, I think it was, wasn't it? This is step by step the car parts with the centre consoles and panels and gear shift heads and things like that. This is all the panels and the buttons going together. And this is what it's going to look like when it's done, folks, okay? So let's have a scoot back, get all of our bits and pieces together, folks. And then we can start a bit of assembly, folks, okay? So there's your centre console. I got the buttons there. Like so. So let's get them ready. Just like that. One of them's going in the back there. So let's grab one of those now. And pop that in place. And it's got a semicircle on the bottom there. So let's try and get that in situ. Just like so. Nice resounding squeak as that goes in. Just like so. There you go. So that's the first one in. We then got one going in this cover, and then the cover itself will then press into place, okay? So again, same semicircle, so let's just orientate that to line it up, just like that. And then that is going to go on this console. So let's just line the pegs up and press that in place. Just start getting them nice and level so that when we push it home, it's going in flush. Just like so, okay? That's what we want. And then just go round and check that it's fully seated, which it is. We can now grab our rubber and our inner lever. And that pushes up from underneath, just like so. And then that will then press up underneath the column in there, in the console even. And then just go around and press that into place. It's quite a tight fit, folks, okay, so bear that in mind. But it will go. It is a little bit of a persuasion fit. You might want your spudger that I use, just to help that in place. So I'm just going to line that up. Just start persuading that to go up into the console. Once it starts, you can then go around and then just press around all the edges and get it into place. Just like so. Just takes a little while for it to conform, but it will go. Just like so. Boom, there you go. Nice click as it goes into place. There you go. I'm just going around checking the edges, which are all nice and lined up. And that now does its thing. Okay. Cool. We then want a couple of AP screws to hold this retaining plate in place. So let's grab those. Similar to what we did with the lever previously with the bat foam. Again, it's the same process with these. So let's grab a bit of oil. Put that on the screwdriver bit. Little bit of oil on there. Pink. And then we can put this plate in place. And it basically stops the lever itself from falling down into the console. So we'll just line the first screw up, screw that home. And then we can spin that round and do the same now with the other screw. Just like that. Pop. And then feed that in. And that now will stop that lever from falling down. There you go. And then it should still move around like so. So that's that. We now want to pop the T-piece in. Top of the lever there. Just like so. Give it a little turny poos. Just like so. And then we want to then close this off by pressing this little piece up underneath in here. We can now press that in situ. All the way in like so. That now conceals that edge. Happy days. So that's that built. So that's what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks. You've got your little console all ready to go. So don't forget, if you want to grab this and build along with me, folks, head over to the Fanhome website. Clickable link below in the description. Pop. And you too can be building this iconic Partwork, folks. Also, to help me out, if you can just give little Fester in the corner a click and subscribe to the channel, I'd be immensely grateful, folks. It helps me grow. Also, whilst you're there, just give the bell a ring and select all. That way you'll get notified of Partwork content, scale models, painting tutorials and the like. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.